Hi, I'm Kia, and I can finally say welcome to my house. And welcome also on the first episode of Home Makeover with Kia. Today, I'm gonna show you the house. So, right now, we are in the living room. And in this video, what are you going to look? Right now at anything but the home, but I'm going to share with you my projects that I have already done on the IKEA app. And so yeah, it's very chilly, vanilla and talky, so let's come and let's begin. Okay, in this first part of the tour, we're going to look at the kitchen and the living room. So here, there's the kitchen space, and there the bathroom, and then here it is the living room. So now I'm going to explain how I'm going to do everything. Let's start from the living room, that is the clearer part in my head, because here you see this green paint, and I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. So, but it's very difficult to cover up because it's really dark, and so our plan is to cover it from this side, all the wall, and also here until here. Maybe we cover with the billy shelves. So I'm going to put here the project that we've made, and we're going to put here and here the billy shelves. And in this part, as you can see here, we're going to leave a rectangular space just for a TV or a screen to look at some shows. And here we're going to, the billy shelves, we're going to put all our books, mangas, everything, and also home decor things, plants such as my orchids, because I have like 15 orchids at my house, and we're going to transfer all my plants here. And also because you see there's wonderful light now. It's 10:12 a.m. and here I think that there's a beautiful light for my orchids. The orchids are going to live their best lives with all this light, and the color will be oak. That is not too light, because I don't want a super duper light house, but neither too dark. And the panels, where they're going to be black details. They are not going to be all covered and closed, because maybe it will be too suffocating. But with the transparent cabinet with the black frame, it's going to be, I think it will giving urban style, a little bit of urban, and I don't remember the other way to name it. I'm going to write it because I don't remember. And yeah, that's it. Then here I think there will be a little bit of space for a little sofa, not too big. I don't like the L-shaped sofas, and because they're going to close the place. I think we're going to put here the little sofa, so it's mm, it's easier to look at the TV when we're going to look at the TV. And here, spoiler for the kitchen, we're going to put a table, but I will explain to you afterwards. So now I'm going to change the visual and talk about the kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen. It's not too big, so it will be a basic kitchen. It will start from here to there. And also for the color, I will put an example here for the photo for reference. The color will be oak, the same color as the shelves, with the black top and black details. So the little shelves that we're going to put, they're going to be black. It will be like this. Here there will be the dishwasher. Here the sink that will be black. Then a space to cook on the topper. Then here the induction cooktop. And here we're going to elevate the cabinets and put at this level the oven. And here on this corner we're going to put the kitchen island. And then like until here, I think here maybe, so there's a lot of room to walk in. We're going to put a kitchen island just until here, so that me and my boyfriend can eat. We can just eat in this place, but when there are going to be friends, guests, parents at home, there will be enough space to eat up to 5 people, so it's okay. And literally behind the kitchen island, I think here we're going to put a little sofa, just as long as the kitchen island. So here we can open also the window. So I think that is the best option. And for the fridge, we're going to change the visual. Okay, so we are in the kitchen. So kitchen here, air, and here the fridge. Because as you see, there's enough space, and also the electricity panel, it's giving fridge. It's literally giving fridge. I don't like to waste a lot of space for the fridge in that corner and here, because here also if you want to put a table, it's too small. So I leave a lot of space for cabinets, oven, all the electrodomestical stuff that we want, such as the dishwasher. And here we leave the space for the fridge. And I think that here we are. So the first part of the house, it's all set down in my head. Hi. For the bathroom, we are done because it's ready. Here there's the big sink. I think that this frame, I'm going to change it and put also all the lights here, but I'm not sure yet. Here at the bottom, I'm going to put a washing machine. Here, some cabinets that where I can put all my products for skincare and everything. Here, maybe in the future, not at the moment, we're going to put the dryer. Then here there are the PC, everything. And here there's the shower that is really big, is super big. So like this here, the little corner for the product. Here there's space for the product. Yes, I want to let you see how big the shower is, because I think it's not giving. Okay, this might be not the best way to show, but it's not that easy. But as you can see, there's space for like 3 to 4 people all together, and I love this shower. Now you see it's a little bit dirty because I didn't have the chance to clean everything, but we're going to do everything, I promise you. And this part made me fall in love with this house, because the shower is another thing, another universe. What the heck? It's amazing. I love it. I don't know you're if you're understanding how big it is. Maybe I will put some pictures in the vertical position, because in the vertical position you will understand a little bit more. But I love it. I simply love it. Now we are inside our little studio, and here we're going to put a big desk. Here one, another two, and another one. So in total we're going to put 4 drawer units, and then a desk, a big desk all here. Also the drawers are going to be oak color, and the panel for the desk, the table for the desk, is going to be black. Then here on the wall we're going to put a sound absorbing panel, like all around these 8. And then here we're going to decorate afterwards. Now we are in the other side of the studio. Here we're going to put another Billy shelf, and here in this little space, like 1 meter, there's going to be a little desk for my boyfriend, because he's going to paint his Warhammer miniatures. So here it is. This is the studio. A little, it's very little but functional. And now here we are inside the bedroom. It's going to be very minimal, because here we're going to put the queen size bed, black, because as you see the walls, we're going to repaint all the walls because we don't like this shade, but it's going to be like a pearl color, so very light. All the house is going to be one part white and another part pearl. So we're going to make the walls very light, so the house is not too dark. So here just the bed. Here we're going to leave the wall fully white, because on this side we're going to put a projector that is project here, and so we're going to look at films from the bed. Does it make sense? I hope so. And yes, so here they're going to be the mattress for our dog, And that's it. The bedroom is really it. And now we're going in my favorite part of the house. As you see here, we're going to enter in the walk-in cabinet that is really narrow, as you see, but really high. So don't look at this. We're going to paint it. So there is this thing, but I will put the picture of the project. This is just a walk-in closet. That is the the most amazing part that I love, except the bathroom. So yes. So here we are at the end of the house tour, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope that maybe it will inspire you for your next house remaking. And we'll see in the next episodes. And yeah, bye bye. Thank you. Love you.